All right, this is a BMW 2003 330XI. It got two codes. One is P1342, which is cylinder 1. Another code is P1349, which is cylinder 2. This is a straight 6 cylinder, but the cylinder firing order is totally, different. All right, this is actually it's a cylinder 1. The roll is 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4 cylinder. So basically, this misfire on the coil should be the number 1 and the last one, number 4 cylinder right there. So first thing we do is remove the cover. There's a 10mm bolt on the cover, 2 each. All right. And you gotta remove this oil cap first before you can take it out. Otherwise, it's stuck right here. Okay. So basically, just remove this 2 cover out of the way, and the coil pack is pretty easy. All you gotta do is like this: flip up, disconnect the cable wire, and you pull it out. And this one I already did it, so I know there's a hole on the sidewall, so which is caused the problem. All right. The other one I haven't opened it, but this is the part we're gonna use. Delphi Technology coil pack. This is a good one. All right. It costs a few dollars more, but you rather put in the good one. And before we install, it's pretty easy. Put this kind of grease on the tip here, and then just slide it in. That's it, simple as that. But before I install this, I think I prefer also check out the spark plug, see how it goes. But so far, that's how you replace it. But you have to find out the firing, this kind of cylinder firing order first. All right, like this one is 2003. The firing and the engine firing order is 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we cannot get confused before we do anything. All right. So once we realize this is a cylinder 1, and that's the cylinder 4 in the back, so that's the 2 I'm gonna replace. All right. Simple as that. Thank you for watching.